Look who I have with me today for Sunday brunch with Curly Tales. It's Virat Kohli. I am very shamelessly interrupting your romantic meal. This is how our Sunday brunch is going to be. यार क्या दिन थे वो. When Saif Ali Khan was pulling the chair for me, Virat Kohli was offering dim sums to me. अजय देवगन और काजोल के साथ बैठकर मैं खा रही थी छोले भटूरे. और अब इस लॉकडाउन में मैं कर रही हूँ अपनी कुछ यादें ताज़ा. सोचा क्यों ना take you along on this journey. तो जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, Curly Tales is all about food and travel and our conversations with the celebrities used to be around that. तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं खाने की. And trust me, they are all foodies but always on a strict diet. बचपन में तो बड़े छोले भटूरे पहले होंगे, also बटर चिकन. मिस करते हैं. और कितने साल हो गए वो सब खाए?
साल तो देखो, ये सब चीज़ें जो होती हैं आई थिंक इसको बहुत ज़्यादा एक ग्लोरीफाई किया जाता है. अभी मैंने छोले भटूरे 3 दिन पहले खाए हैं.
ओह अच्छा.
बट आफ्टर आई वुड से व्हाट 3-4 इयर्स.
ओके.
हाँ, उसके बीच में मैंने नहीं खाए ऑनेस्टली. थॉट कि रजौरी गार्डन में जाएंगे. एक जगह है गुड़गांव में, सेक्टर 15 में है, सिविल लाइंस वाला. सो दैट वाज ऑन MG रोड बिफोर एंड माय भाभी सेड इट्स शट. सो बट आई गूगल्ड इट एंड इट सेड ओपन. So my bhabhi called the guy and he said, "हाँ, it's opened in sector 15 now. MG road पे बंद हो गया." So then we sent our driver to bring it home.
टिपिकल पंजाबी खाना बनता था देसी घी में.
सरसों का साग, मक्के की रोटी, आलू के पराठे.
उसके ऊपर व्हाइट बटर और एक हरी मिर्ची.
उसको बोले सफेद मक्खन बोलो. White butter doesn't sound that good.
So sad that I have to be on a diet. मतलब मैं दिल जलता है मेरा, क्योंकि मैंने ऐसा प्रोफेशन चुना है जहाँ पर मुझे स्लिम एंड फिट रहना पड़ता है. तो मैं जो मुझे खाना है मैं खा नहीं सकती, क्योंकि मेरी पर्सनालिटी बॉडी टाइप भी ऐसी है कि मैं खाना सूंघ लूँ और आई पुट ऑन वेट. सो आई हैव टू रियली कंट्रोल व्हाट आई एम ईटिंग. बट आई लव फूड. स्कूल में भी जब मैं बैठी होती थी क्लास में, अगर आप मुझे ऐसे देखते तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि खाने में क्या है.
But if the minute I get hungry, I want to eat a pizza, I want to eat bhel puri, I want to eat stuff like that. Junk food, I've noticed whenever I get hungry, I turn towards junk. So the idea is never to be too hungry.
Right.
You can be more discerning when you're not desperate.
एक मिनट. क्या बोला? अच्छा बोला. You are more discerning when you are not desperate. जरूर यूज करूंगी ये लाइन. पर इसका मतलब?
I think morality works in a way that, at least our morality is kind of based around our profession, you know, and everything is around that camera.
Yeah.
In fact, it's a religion. It's nice to have rules.
Yeah.
You know when you're breaking the law and you know when you're within it and you know when you're cheating, but generally speaking, bad behavior or completely loose morality in terms of food leads to something that you don't want.
समझ गए? नहीं ना, इतनी इंग्लिश तो मुझे भी नहीं आती, पर शायद ये समझा सके. या
Pronte is something, it's my staple breakfast every day till today. That's what I eat every day. But now because अभी मैं I made the transition to like I don't eat wheat, तो अब मैं राजगीरे का पराठा बनाती हूँ. But it is as good, so it's a healthy version of पराठा.
क्या बोला मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. हम तो सीधे पराठा खाते हैं. मूली का चाहिए या इसका चाहिए.
I remember when we were shooting the film, you were doing intermittent fasting. I wasn't doing that. So she was somehow, it was amazing how she managed. But you were doing what, 18 hours?
18 hours.
18-hour intermittent fasting, shooting 12 hours a day, doing lots of strenuous stuff. So
No, but he was how many calories a day?
I was on 1500 calories.
1500 is honestly nothing, and usually I eat 1500 like on a regular basis. And a guy like him who's tall and especially I think guys need to have more calories.
इजी नहीं है मोहिनी का डांस और इन सेलिब्रिटीज की स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट फॉलो करना. इसी चक्कर में मोस्ट ऑफ देम हैव इवन टर्न्ड इनटू वेजिटेरियंस. ओह सॉरी, वीगन्स. And I believe it's been quite some time that you haven't had wheat, milk or curd. And I don't know of too many Punjabis out there who don't have milk, because एक दूध का glass तो चाहिए ही.
Yeah, I've been brought up with like 3 glasses of milk a day when you wake up, then before going to school, then during evening before you go to play, and then before sleeping. So these were the 3 staple, and then dahi has to be there in your breakfast and your lunch, not in dinners though.
I've turned vegetarian for almost 2 years now. Not completely vegan. 90% would be, animal protein free and dairy free and everything. But उसमें I figured out, I did a lot of reading and understanding of food.
I eat eggs, but I'm a vegetarian. I eat vegetarian, you can say.
I am a wannabe vegetarian. Kabhi kabar I eat seafood. So if I travel to like a Goa or some
वैसी वाली vegetarian.
wannabe, मैं तो खुद बोल रही हूँ. I respect people who are vegetarian.
Well, vegans or not, street food तो सबको पसंद है.
Yes. I love street.
We do.
I'm a big fan of pani puri, bhel puri,
Vada
vada
pav.
pav,
I love it.
the chutney sandwich.
During college, we grew up having Frankies.
Yeah. So we're
Love
all like
Frankies.
we both love that.
तो कौन सी सबसे ज़्यादा फेवरेट कौन सा है आपका स्ट्रीट फूड? नहीं एनी पर्टिकुलर फूड जॉइंट जो आपको पता है?
का पानी पूरी तो आता ही है, हफ्ते में एक बार तो आता ही है कहीं ना कहीं. The kids also love it, we also love it.
Street food is where it's at, right? In Bombay, your pani puri, dahi vada pav, and you get a good version, our own kind of dosa over here. So your misal pav and your rolls, your anda burji at the Churchgate station, and there's loads of things. So,
I think vada pav was my fantasy when I came to Mumbai. That I have to try this vada pav because in every Bollywood film you see this vada pav.
The street food of Delhi, I think, is unmatched. मतलब उसका कोई मुकाबला है ही नहीं. तो वो मैंने बहुत खाया when I was younger.
इतना पसंद नहीं होना चाहिए बट पसंद है. मेरे कॉलेज के बाहर वो डोसे के ठेले होते थे, शेजवान चीज डोसा. ये हम ही कर सकते हैं, सिर्फ मुंबई में होता है ये. मतलब आप डोसे के अंदर शेजवान नूडल्स डाल के मुझे बेच रहे हो. मैं खा भी रही हूँ, इतना अच्छा होता है.
I know.
And vada pav, pav bhaji, cheese pav bhaji. Oh my god, I used to gorge on it in college.
Every area in Delhi has its own chole bhature wala or its own golgappe wala that you have to eat. So there's nothing like that one is better than this one. That's how it is. And every area will have its own and all will be equally good. There's a Hari Om chole bhature wala near my house, and since school time I've been having chole bhature from there, and even now when I go home, at least once we'll get breakfast from there as chole bhature.
I love it. अभी भी खाता हूँ जब भी मन करता है, क्योंकि ये एक चीज़ है वो मेरे अंदर से कभी नहीं जाएगा.
I used to think it was very spicy. I still think it's spicy, but not as bad. I don't mind a little bit of spice now, but not too much.
ये लो, इवन ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्रिकेटर ग्लेन मैकग्राथ लव्स इंडियन स्ट्रीट फूड. पर अगर स्ट्रीट फूड से भी ज्यादा इन सेलिब्रिटीज को कोई चीज पसंद है, ठीक हमारी तरह, तो वो है अपने माँ के हाथ का खाना. डोंट बिलीव मी? ये देख लो.
राजमा चावल. सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं है उसमें.
मेरी mom is I think the best cook I know. She makes amazing Sindhi food, so we've grown up like having Sindhi curry, aloo ka took, that fried masale wali bhindi. Her Sindhi curry is out of this world. मैंने actually कई जगहों पर try किया, but जितना अच्छा मेरी mom बनाती है, मुझे लगता है आज तक किसी ने नहीं बनाया, and I'm very confident about that.
What I really want her to cook every time I go home is Matar Paneer. She cooks really good Matar Paneer, and I really enjoy that. And there is, for us as a kid, when we used to go to school, she used to make these bread pizzas for us.
So I'll have like fish curry, I'll have like Bengali fish curry. They learned how to make Bengali fish curry at home.
Oh, nice.
Or even the Maharashtrian kalvan that they say, that also my mother came and taught them. And my mother-in-law and me both love crabs. So when Ajay is not there, then we sit and we eat crabs together. We just sit and we like spend 1.5 hours on the table and we sit and eat crabs.
I mean, there's the fish curry that my mom makes, which is really lovely. It's like it's a South Indian preparation. There's some Konkani fish curries that I really enjoy.
मेरी मम्मी के हाथ का बना हुआ खाना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. बहुत ज़्यादा मिस करती हूँ अपने घर का खाना और स्पेशली उत्तराखंड का खाना.
I love Indian food, any kind of Indian food. And though I love my biryani and I love kali dal. Okay. And palak paneer, simple things also.
हमारे यहाँ weddings हुआ करती थी, तो उसमें एक डेजर्ट होता था, उसको बोलते हैं अरसे. So that was my ultimate favorite.
नॉर्थ में तो गाजर मेथी, उफ, my favorite thing. गाजर मेथी के बगैर जिंदगी नहीं है.
Yeah, Indian is my favorite cuisine. अब एकदम तेल घी भरा हुआ छोले भटूरे, राजमा चावल, बटर चिकन, Oh my god, yeah.
Well, so there you have it. सारी दुनिया घूमने के बाद भी हमारे celebrities को पसंद है शुद्ध देसी Indian food. Now all of them claim to be big foodies, तो हमने सोचा why not put their love to some serious test. हमने किया उनके साथ एक blind tasting challenge. Let's see who fared how. Ajay, you have to feed this to Kajol and she has to guess what she is eating.
खानी है ना?
नहीं.
Let me enjoy it.
Hey, open your mouth.
Chicken.
No, how can you think?
Chili chicken.
Are you mad?
एक chicken यार. Chicken तो गैप कर लिया.
You can't do this to a Punjabi guy. You can't give him a chicken tikka and say, what is this?
I think it's uramaki because it's got something on the outside also.
Same. Breakfast special. Yeah, you'll have to really open your mouth wide, huh? Wait. Not yet.
Nicely, she's making a bite for you.
Keema pav.
Yeah.
Kachori.
Okay.
Okay, this one should be easy. Indian style? Yes.
Ah.
Butter chicken? Tandoori chicken?
Definitely Sindhi curry. तेरी मॉम ने बनाया क्या?
नहीं.
Because it's very very similar.
Really? Oh, and you said your mom makes the best one. Can I tell you something? I'm Sindhi and I have made this for you.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
Tandoori chicken? Tandoori chicken? Yes.
Same. Chicken tikka, tandoori chicken, same.
Wasn't that too much fun? I personally enjoyed Ajay and Kajol's blind tasting session a lot. मतलब बहुत ही बिंदास से couple है. It was good fun to be with them. Well, चलो बात करते हैं अब traveling की. And as per my analysis, to be a celebrity, you all have to love London. Seriously.
Not London, but England. Okay, London. Claridge's Hotel, Mayfair.
Alright.
My son and I were both crawling on the new carpet.
Wow.
Yeah, because it's just amazing. And so he was also like, wow.
I love London.
We love Londden.
I go to London almost every month.
Feel very, very comfortable in London.
I mean, I love London so.
वैसे it's not just London, हाँ, और भी destinations हैं हमारी celebrities की list में.
हम लोग recently न्यूजीलैंड गए थे और वहाँ पे we went to Queenstown और उससे ज़्यादा सुंदर जगह हमने अभी तक नहीं देखी है.
Your favorite place in the world?
I love Sri Lanka, which is just at our doorstep, and what a stunning country with just beautiful people. I love the Philippines, along with Maldives.
All over.
We went to
Italy,
Austria,
Germany.
Last year I went to Galapagos, which is in South America. One of the most like crazy places to go diving. Incredible.
I like Paris.
Oh, okay.
I like London. I mean, after my India, then I like Maldives as well.
I'll have to say Kustad, Maldives.
ना सिर्फ विदेश, इंडिया भी पसंद है इन सेलिब्रिटीज को. इनफैक्ट रणविजय सिंघा ने तो पूरी एक लंबी सी लिस्ट बनाई हुई है. Remember? Vocal for local.
As a guy who represents adventure, travel, biking, sports, मैं अगर किसी को recommend करता हूँ, मैं दुनिया में काफी सारे influencers को अब मिलता हूँ. I say that if you have to go to only one place in India, it has to be Leh, because it's out of the world. अगर लोगों के पास ज़्यादा टाइम है तो मैं बोलूँगा राजस्थान जाओ कि यार यहाँ पर कल्चर है, यहाँ पर फोर्ट्स हैं, यहाँ पर वो हेरिटेज है, यहाँ पे रंग है, खाना है. और ज़्यादा टाइम मैं बोलूँगा केरला जाओ, बिकॉज ये जो दो चीज़ें देख ली उससे बिल्कुल अलग है. थोड़ा और टाइम मैं बोलूँगा नॉर्थ ईस्ट जाओ. थोड़ा और टाइम है तो मैं बोलूँगा ओके नाउ अभी दिल्ली में ज़्यादा पोल्यूशन है, बट एक बार ही देख लो वो आगरा, रेड फोर्ट वगैरह सब ऐसा मास्क पहन के देख लो. अब अगर थक गए हो तो छुट्टी मनाने गोवा आ जाओ. When I go abroad for different things, I tell people that इंडिया में ऐसा कोई भी geographically ऐसी कोई भी जगह नहीं है जो आपके देश में.
जहाँ से मैं हूँ, उत्तराखंड.
Oh, is it?
It's very beautiful place. So only after my India.
Or Rajasthan, then you know I eat Lal Mas.
Kerala, Goa. We went on the backwaters in Alleppey, and it was just so peaceful and just stunning.
It's probably a reserve that I've never seen a tiger in, which is Dudhwa. It's a magical forest. It's on the border of UP and Nepal. Pench is Kanha is very beautiful. I haven't been to Ranthambore and all that.
Bandhavgarh is also very
Bandhavgarh, I want to go. Yeah.
I brought my older two children over before my youngest was born, and we went to Delhi, Agra, Jaipur, Udaipur, and I think that was amazing. I love the Taj Mahal. There's something very special.
I love Mumbai because if I have to spend a day in another country, in another city in Mumbai, it'll be challenging for me.
अब चाहे पैसा जितना भी हो, ये तो पॉसिबल नहीं कि सारी दुनिया घूम ली हो इन सेलिब्रिटीज से। सो दे ऑल हैव वन प्लेस इन देयर बकेट लिस्ट। मेरी बकेट लिस्ट में है आइसलैंड। लेट्स फाइंड आउट व्हाट्स ऑन देयर बकेट लिस्ट।
Japan. I really want to go to like that side of the world. I really want to see.
Have you ever been to Japan to try the authentic Japanese food?
So that's the only thing left in my bucket list.
Okay.
In terms of Japan and Japanese food, I wanted to have local Japanese food there in Tokyo or wherever I go to in Japan.
I have many. I actually want to go see the Northern Lights.
Oh yeah.
And that was my plan.
I really wish to visit this place called Tulum in Mexico.
अब आप सोच रहे होंगे सारे ही सेलिब्रिटीज इतने ट्रैवल एंथुसियास्ट हैं, सो दे ऑल मस्ट बी लविंग एडवेंचर, राइट? रॉन्ग। ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ऑफ देम सेड नो फॉर स्काई डाइविंग। काफी प्यार है अपनी लाइफ से, isn't it?
Not really. Yeah, I mean scuba diving, yes.
Okay.
Skydiving is just not my thing. I don't particularly like heights and that kind of adrenaline.
No,
Never.
she's scared of heights.
That's
You don't have to add that little bit into it.
If she was 3 inches taller, she wouldn't be walking also.
नहीं, हमारे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में वी आर नॉट अलाउड टू डू एनी एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स।
But you
So-
pray for it? Do you like adventure?
नहीं यार, I'm not fond of heights. I'm very scared of heights. So I've done rafting when I was a kid, Nainital में. So that was an amazing experience. I would love to do that again sometime.
Skydiving I don't think is something I want to do. मेरे को मतलब stupid लगता है प्लेन से कूद जाओ। कौन करता है ये? बेहुदा चीज। नहीं, I'm okay. I don't want to jump.
बहुत हो गई फूड और ट्रैवल की बातें, बिकॉज कर्ली टेल्स में एक और सेगमेंट है विच इज 5 second fire, in which we give them 5 seconds to answer.
Name 3 songs that you sing in the shower.
मम्मी ने पसंद नहीं, लैम्बोर्गिनी और ब्लू आइज।
चल झूठा, ये नहीं गाता है 2 गाने, I know it.
ये वो कैसे पता शावर में कौन आता है? मैं अकेले नहाता हूँ।
No, Lamborghini.
3 things you won't want to sit on.
It's a very vulgar question. I refuse to answer it. Just refuse categorically.
3 Indian cricketers who you think rule the game.
Sachin, MS Dhoni and Virat Kohli.
3 things you say when you're angry.
3 things you say when you are surprised. Oh my god. Umaki, Temaki. You don't say all that.
3 body parts of a boy. Go on, say.
Say some legs.
Yeah, my daughter.
Name 3 things you would always carry for your biking trip.
A helmet, riding gear, including boots, and a GoPro.
3 words Haryanvis use often.
और क्या बोलेंगे? खसम, रे कर ली, रे this, रे that.
Before we wrap, let's also take you through some confessions made by our celebrities and also some behind the scenes. What is the weirdest thing you've ever eaten, Hindi?
A grasshopper.
No!
Can you believe it?
It's not something I'm very proud of, but it's just that if you ask me the weirdest thing that I've eaten, then that is it.
बहुत प्यार करती है ना तो उससे, तो अब उसकी माँ से भी प्यार कर, उसके बच्चों से भी प्यार कर और उसके कुत्ते से भी प्यार कर।
हाँ, बीवी का भगवान।
Really मारा है आपने लड़कों को?
पेला है मतलब। I used to sit on them. I used to use my weight to my advantage. उनको
तो किसी के पेरेंट्स आए घर पे कंप्लेन करने के लिए?
हिम्मत नहीं होती थी किसी।
On your Instagram, we saw there was a picture with Virat Kohli.
Okay, so I'll tell you what happened. I was in London with our family.
Okay.
And we went to Madame Tussauds. So they were all sports persons. Virat Kohli, and my mom is like, oh, Virat, oh, Rashi, I want your picture. I'm like, okay. Because your mom is saying it, you cannot ignore her. And then I was just standing like this. She's like, no, just be more close, be more close. I'm like, okay, I'll be more close, okay. I'm just like keeping my hand. No, just like kind of hug him, no.
नहीं, पहचान नहीं रहा था, फिर एक आदमी पहचान गया और पहचानने वाले सरदार जी मिले हमें। और द मोस्ट अमेजिंग थिंग वाज उनका लास्ट नेम भी कोहली था। एंड देन आई वाज सिटिंग देयर, आई वाज लाइक यार व्हाट आर द ऑड्स, फिनलैंड में एक हमें कोई अपने कंट्री से आदमी नहीं मिला, एक सरदार जी मिले उनका लास्ट नेम कोहली है। आई वाज लाइक, और कॉफी शॉप में यू नो वी वर स्टैंडिंग इन लाइन एंड वी वर गेटिंग कॉफी एंड वो पीछे थे एंड आई डोंट थिंक ही सॉ अस, आई सॉ हिम एंड देन आई डिडंट टर्न अराउंड, but then he saw me and then he's like मैं भी कोली हाँ मैं भी I was like यार पाजी प्लीज यहाँ पे छोड़ दो फोटो वोटो मत मांगना.
Okay, this one's fairly easy.
हाँ, everything was easy so far. Let me just tell you. Let me tell you, this is my speciality. When I call people over, this is what I make for them. I give them nothing.
Never have I ever stolen anything. And we know what.
So stupid. It's like a bloody bathroom.
Can you believe it? राधिका आप्टे ने अपने होटल रूम से बाथरूम चोरी किया है. That is quite a confession, I have to say. वैसे उस आंसर के अलावा राधिका आप्टे didn't give any meaty answers. Well, होता है, सेलिब्रिटीज के मूड पे डिपेंड करता है, कई अदर फैक्टर्स पे डिपेंड करता है, बट एज अ होस्ट आई ऑलवेज हैव टू स्टे काम एंड स्माइलिंग. आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ यू आस्क मी अबाउट दैट. Well, it's a part of my job. I really hope you enjoyed watching a compilation of Sunday Brunch Season 1. अब मैं वेट कर रही हूँ इस लॉकडाउन के खत्म होने का, so I can go back and interview more celebrities for Sunday Brunch Season 2. Until then, remember to like, share and subscribe to Curly Tales. This is me, Kamya Jani, signing off. Really?
You can take your time.
Yeah, it's a big one.
तेरे फोन आ रहा है, बुला रहा तुझे. अरे सुन ना.
अरे
वो देख कबूतर.
क्या बुला रही है तुझे?
अरे कबूतर देख कबूतर.
All right, I'm going to use this and sit.
There we go. It's really hot.
मुझे हरियाणवी भाषा बहुत पसंद आती है. मुझे आती नहीं ठीक से बोलना, but I love the accent. मुझे कुछ सिखा दो चलो.
मजे लो रोज लो.
मजे लो रोज.
मजे लो.
मजे लो रोज.
रोज लो.